Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to explore Gavalidev waterfall in Ghansoli. Waterfalls in Ghansoli, Gavalidev graciously proved by Mother Nature herself, spread over an area of 104 hectares with nearly 450,000 trees. Some of the most striking and breathtaking sights of waterfalls can be found at this site. Particularly famous is the beauty of the waterfall falling from the foot of Gavalidev during monsoon. Despite being one of the most ignored sites by the state and local authorities, nature has taken care of the spot after NOCIL shutdown. The naturally made Gavalidev with a divine touch continues to be ignored. Every monsoon, thousands of nature lovers and enthusiasts visit Gavalidev to experience the beauty of the scenic cascading waterfalls. After heavy rains, though, the water gushes over much of the rock overhang located in a beautiful wooded spot. If you haven't visited Gavalidev already, go experience the mesmerizing beauty and serenity of the cascades and waterfalls.
Got to produce, that is a booth.
Main monsoon attraction here is a giant waterfall. Let me make it more precise. Only during heavy rains days, as you can climb for 15 to 20 minutes, you could hear the roaring sound. This waterfall's flow is based on the lake above on the toll of the hill. If the lake is full and still it's raining, then only the waterfall will have roaring showers. This waterfall is considerably high fall. One must take precautions while going below the showers and avoid it too. The water flow is not that fast sometimes. The main Gavalidev temple or the idol is on the top of the waterfall and there is another route to reach it there. There is a proper route marking board available. From this board it is again 10 minutes climb. It's not some sort of big or small temple. It is just beside the upper part of water flow.
चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, हमेशा साथ रहेंगे।
जहाँ तू है वहाँ मैं हूँ, मेरे दिल की तू धड़कन है।
So if you liked the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Do not forget to click the bell icon and we post our new videos every Tuesday. And thanks for watching. Bye.